are those the little tiny ones, or the little ones that were in the nest?
Yeah, two of them were up in the nest, and I scared them out. They flew out when I came over here and looked at them.
Hi. Hi, baby. Hi.
Seems like we got a lot more little finches in here this week. And that little guy, he's always kind of skittish. Yeah. Too bad they couldn't have the whole hallway turned into an aviary. Right, Dad?
But that one looks different than that. Is that one a bit? One with the eyes? They had like,
Those are doves.
yeah, that's what I thought. But aren't they tiny?
Those are the ones that had babies in the thing over here.
Are they miniature doves?
Yeah, well, maybe they're not. I don't know. They look like doves. That's what Wally said they were.
But they're smaller than the regular dove that we know.
Right. Yeah, they're not our normal doves that are out in the yard. The ones that coo.
Yeah.
So sad we haven't had any baby doves on the barn ledge for years.
But we're not feeding them that much.